everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to give this slime a makeover. So as you can see, this slime is really old and I've had this slime since a year now. But actually the texture of this slime is really great, but there's a problem with this, that the beads sometimes fall out. And it's a bit sticky right now, so that's why the beads aren't falling out that much. But still, I had to give this one a makeover. So yeah, first you enjoy the ASMR and then I'll tell you what to do next. So firstly, I let the slime sit for a while, and then when the beads have risen to the top, I just went ahead and used an ice cream stick to scoop out all the beads. So I decided not to change the texture of the slime because the texture is pretty nice. It's a thick and glossy texture, and I've planned to change the color a bit, and then after that I'm just going to assemble it in a more pretty way. So first of all, I added pure glycerin into the slime. If you didn't already know, glycerin actually melts down the slime, and when the slime is more on the liquid side, then it's easier to mix all the ingredients together. Then I added purple glitter glue, but it didn't actually bring a lot of changes to the slime. So then I added purple paint into the slime, and then I added purple glitter, and after that I added hand wash because that just makes the slime more thick and stretchy. And then I just went ahead and activated the slime. So the bowl was about to overflow, so I just placed the slime onto the surface and then I activated it. While activating it, I kept on adding more hand wash because this was not as thick as I wanted it to be. And then I also realized that this was not the color and the color was not changed enough. So then I added blue paint this time, and that actually brought a lot of changes, and then I had the perfect color ever. And then I finally activated the slime and it gave me this beautiful color of purple. Now it was time to assemble the slime. So I added purple glitter at the bottom, and then after that I layered the slime onto it, and then I added pink glitter to cover at the top. And at the end, this was the result. I was extremely happy by it, and I transformed that ugly slime into this beautiful creation, and I was really happy. This was all from today's video. If you all enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up and also subscribe. See you all next time. Bye everyone.